Hello, it's Astrid and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we'll be opening gifts from the November gift refresh. What is inside? There will be common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and the legendary. I wanted to get the Bee Shuttle for my card collection. So join me today. Hopefully we're gonna get it. While I'm purchasing the gifts, I would like to say thank you to all my existing subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you for staying strong. And if you are new to my channel and like my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for future new video uploads. This will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much in advance. Now we have all the gifts that we need. I think we are ready. Let's get started. By the way, guys, Kyle will be joining me today. You know him from the previous videos we had, and he got an ultra rare. Imagine, I got rare. He has a good luck today. How about the next one? I got Robo Balloon, and how about him? Let's see. That's another ultra rare. Oh my god. Next one, I'll be getting water drop blush. Look at that. It's so cute. And he's buying more. What? Another stuff. We're moving now to the next location. I hope I'll be luckier this time. Let's see. It's a sailboat stroller. It's uncommon. Let me try. It's pretty cool. Not bad. And let's move on to the next gift. What will it be? What will it be? Come on. La Perfume Rare. I got 2 of those already. So next, it's a Magic Scroll Chew. Okay, let's do next. What will it be? Olympian Rattle. Another common. Next will be... Oh no, very last box left for cut. Let me try. Come on, Kay. Oh, she's sleepy. Next. Yay! Finally, Robo Unicycle Ultra Rare. Then the staff have white. Opening the next. Another ray gun leash. It's uncommon. Okay, we are going to the next location and Kyle will be the one to drive. No problem. We have a boat. Now let's go. What will it be? It's a flying disc. Another common. I'll be putting away K so that we can open properly. Let's move on. Let's open another one. Another sailboat stroller. Uncommon. Hopefully we get what we're looking for. I have less. Oh yes! Finally, we got it. Oh, nice. so cute. Oh, it's so nice to drive. It's so smooth. Kyle, come here. It looks like he got busy driving the boat. So he just realized it. Since we have more gifts, let's proceed. Wait, Kyle. Buckle up and pray. Sorry. Well, to answer how good is this car, this is the interior. It's a 5-seater car. This is how it looks like in the evening. So it's 9 out of 10. Ayan, masaya na ako, guys. But we still have a lot of gifts to open, so we will proceed opening it. I'll just fast forward it so that we would know what are those gifts. So please do enjoy. Down to the last gift. I got a propeller. And another friend joined the server. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me reach 100 subscribers and see you in my next video. Bye!